Hi, welcome to the complete guide to iOS programming for beginners. The goal of the course is to teach anyone how to build an iOS app from the ground up. The course is very project-oriented, and you're going to start by learning the fundamentals of the Swift language by examples with the playgrounds. And this will build a solid foundations for the iOS development and the rest of the course. You will start by building simple apps, so you're going to build your first interactive application with the Quote of the Day app, with many concepts of the Swift language like the variables, arrays, actions, and functions. You're going to be also creating your first timer, and that's going to be your first introductions to auto layouts. You're going to be calculating seconds, use and display date and time. Then we're going to get into more advanced developments with an introductions to building a to-do list Swift app by creating a multi-view application and segues. I will show you some more complex components of the table view, the navigations bar, and the UI date picker. And next, we're going to work with the class objects, control flow, data persistence, and networking, when you're going to have a chance to create a restaurants app. And we're going to use the Google Places API to show the user's location and a list of nearby restaurants by using the MapKit view and geolocation. You're going to be creating your own music player with the AV Foundations framework in order to play some fine-tunes. And finally, you're going to create also a newsreader app by sourcing from the New York Times article. And we're going to finish with a capstones project, and that's going to be Swiftogram, a multi-view application where you're going to be able to follow contacts, view and like posts. We're going to add user gesture and interaction. We're going to use and implement a collection view to display posts, and also use the UI image picker controller to import from the photo library and then display in our application. So this will be a 3-hour plus tutorial where you're going to be introduced to the Firebase as a cloud backend service to manage your app, data persistence, and synchronization. And you're going to get a step-by-step guide of how to enable user authentication with your own Facebook account with the Facebook Login SDK. So join the class Complete Beginner's Guide to iOS Programming. No prior coding experience is required. By the end of the class, you will have a solid understanding of the Apple Swift language, object-oriented programming, and this will help tremendously to conceptualize your own app ID and turn it into a prototype. Thank you for joining. My name is Sandy. I'm an iOS and web developer.